In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Spotify background. Right away, there is one key thing you need to know. You cannot manually change the Spotify app background or theme. There is no setting to swap the overall dark or light look or pick custom colors. This applies the same on Android, on iPhone, and on the computer app or web player. So what you see now is the design Spotify has chosen. However, there are still a few things you can personalize so your profile feels more like you. You can change your Spotify profile picture, and that picture is what Spotify uses to add some color around your name. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone, or opening the Spotify web player or desktop app on your computer. When it loads, you should see the usual home screen with playlists, albums, and suggestions, which confirms you are signed in and ready. From there, go to your profile. On mobile, you normally tap your profile icon or name near the top to reach it. On desktop or the web player, you click your profile name or picture, usually up in the corner, then choose Profile. When you land on your profile, you should see your display name, your current profile picture, and sections like public playlists and followers. That tells you are in the right place to update how you appear to other listeners. Now, select Edit on mobile or click your profile picture on desktop. On a phone, the Edit option appears on your profile screen and opens a page with your name and image. On a computer, clicking the picture usually pops up a small menu or sends you straight to the photo controls. A common beginner mistake is tapping the name instead of the picture on desktop, which does nothing. So make sure you actually click the image itself. Next, choose Change Photo. Spotify will switch to a view that clearly highlights your current profile picture, with an option that says Change Photo. Selecting this tells Spotify you want to replace the image tied to your account. The change affects how your profile looks anywhere someone taps your name, including shared playlists you made. Then, select a new image from your device and save your changes. Your phone or computer will open its usual file or photo picker, where you can browse your gallery or folders. Choose a clear image, since Spotify may crop it into a square or circle. After you pick it, confirm or save within Spotify. The new profile picture appears right away on your profile screen, and Spotify updates it across your account without needing any extra save button later. You might also wonder why your Spotify profile has a colored background behind that picture. That color gradient is automatically generated by Spotify based on your profile image. You cannot manually choose or upload a separate background image for a personal Spotify profile, and there is no hidden setting for it. If you change your profile photo, Spotify may slightly adjust that gradient to match the new colors. So in this video, you updated your Spotify profile picture and learned how Spotify handles profile background colors. If this helped you get your profile looking better, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Spotify tips.